Hi guys, this is a tutorial on how to make a item filter for the for the for the potions and glass bottles, in case you want to do that too. So basically what this does is it filters out any item other than the brewing stand, and they put them in the individual chests. So let's give you an example. Over here I have a shulker box filled with these items. It doesn't matter what items they are, but I'm using this for the raid farm, so I just have totems and books. So if I right now put this on top, first I need to turn on the machine, and if I put it on top of that, as you can see, the potions, the potions get filtered into here, and every other item will get filtered into this barrel. So this is pretty unique and cool, and this works with any items. It doesn't have to be books. So right now if I get a let's say 16 blocks of this, as you can see, all of them will just go into here. It doesn't matter, it's not going to go into here. And if I get where is it? There it is. Let's say just some of these, and I put them into here. These will filter into here. So it always works and that. And now the unique thing about this is it doesn't just when it's off. So when the machine is off, because it's pretty loud, it doesn't actually get items inputted into the hopper, so it won't break the machine. As you can see, nothing is getting into this hopper. It's all staying in here. And once I turn on the machine, they will automatically start going to here. If you're wondering why this happens, it's because what's it called? It's because when this is off, the redstone is on, so it's locking this hopper from this dropper. Yeah, dropper. So let's show you how to build this. So the materials you need is 5 solid blocks, 2 redstone torches, 3 redstone, 1 redstone repeater, 1 dropper, 3 hoppers, 1 brewing stand, 1 lever, and 2 barrels or any type of storage you need it to go into. So let's begin. You're gonna want to start off by building this T shape right here, and then removing the center block. After that, place 1 block, and then you want to place 2 redstone torches underneath this, so it should look like this. Next, place 1 redstone on top of this block, then place 2 redstones on here, so it should look like this. Now place a redstone repeater over here. I'm going to turn this off so it doesn't make that much noise. So to turn it off, just place a redstone, a lever over here, and then flick it on. Next, place a dropper over onto this right here, and then you're gonna want to place 2 hoppers, so right there, 1 underneath the dropper and 1 beside it. Then after that, place a brewing stand on the next hopper. After that, we're going to place 2 barrels or any kind of storage you want it to go into, and then finally just place 1 hopper here so it can go into the dropper. So we're finished the build now. We can test it out by if I'm gonna get this shulker here. As you can see, if I put the let me turn it on again. As you can see, it's completely working fine. All the potions are going into this barrel, and everything else is going into this barrel. To show you some useful, this is also stackable, 1 tile stackable. So if you want to see how you do it, first you just want to turn this off, and let's show you how this works. So for this, you don't actually have to repeat this whole design over here. You can just continue building it. So let's say I want to make it 5. I will just put 5 over here, and then continue putting these over here. After that, you want to put the dispenser droppers over here. My bad, not dispensers. And put these into into each one of the rows. Then continue putting that, and then finally you just put the hoppers into there. So this is how you stack it. You don't actually have to repeat this whole building the clock again and again for each shot. You just need one of them and then a redstone that. So now if I put into any one, it's still gonna work the same. So let's show you how. If I put one shulker, if I put it into, let's say, this one, and then I turn it on, as you can see, it's gonna be the same result, same thing. They're all gonna come into the same. I think it's done. Is it done? Yeah, it's done. So it works for anything. I'm gonna warn you, it's a little bit loud. So yeah. So now that you've reached this point, I'm gonna show you how it works. And this might be helpful for troubleshooting any of the mechanics. So the first part is the clock, which is a pretty simple full clock, which is this. And this just makes a infinite signal. The way you turn it off is just by turning on the torches. The reason we're using this is so that this continuously throws the dropper. Continuously turns on the dropper. As you can see, it's pretty fast. This is the fastest it can go. The reason we're putting the redstone repeater is because I had an issue where it would it would like do it for a long time, but then it would randomly turn off and never turn the dispenser off to dropper again, so it would like break. That's why we're putting the repeater, so it can kind of slow it down. And then now we'll show you the mechanics. The mechanics is pretty simple. If I get a potion right now, so if I get some potions right here and I put them into this dropper and I turn it on, as you can see, they go into here. Now if I put a hopper and then put this back, as you can see, it automatically goes into the hopper. Any other item, it will not go into the brewing stand, and it will not dispense that because the game, I guess, it detects this as it's already filled the space, so it can't dispense. So to fix that issue or that mechanic is we place a hopper below it so that every other item, it will drop into there. The clock here, it's because if we leave it here, even the even the potions, they will go into this chest. So that's why we have the clock, so that it can dispense fast. Now, one example that I can show you is this right here. So this is just a command for witches. And let me just turn this on real quick before oh shoot, this is broken. Forgot. Let me just fix it real quick. Okay, so if I turn this so this is on now. If I turn this on, as you can see. We can show you. You can use it for wish farm or whatever you want. Let's turn this off because it's too loud. Then as you can see, all of them. Actually, I forgot this layer. Just put this up. As you can see, all of them are going into there. The bottles are going into there, and then all of the other things are. Wait, what? Sometimes if too much items are coming into the dropper at once, hopper at once, it will break the machine because the hoppers will just take them. So that's why you'll occasionally see 1 or 2 glass bottles. But if you're having a normal, like for example, the raid farm will probably not do anything, and a normal witch farm, not this weird thing, will probably also have a normal thing. So it shouldn't happen unless if you're doing a StarCraft project, whatever. This right here is what you're probably gonna have. It's just that I'm gonna probably have this because I want it to come this way, so just have that. If you have any problems or issues, just comment down below. This is on Bedrock, by the way, if you're questioning that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.